Hey, this is Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia, inside the showroom, checking out this gorgeous 1971 Ford Bronco. This is an original U14 half cab truck. I had the privilege of purchasing this Bronco from a gentleman who I have bought several Broncos from over the years. He and his wife have restored Broncos for many, many years. True Bronco enthusiasts, true craftsmen, really knows his stuff, and was honored to get the phone call to be able to purchase this one. This was his wife's Bronco. They restored it back in 1998. She had driven it about 2,700 miles, mostly to the car shows and events with him, and it was time to let it go. And I had the opportunity, and now you have the opportunity to get into a fantastic, really high quality Bronco. Let's do a quick walk around tour. I'll tell you as much as I can remember at this point, and then all the information will be in the listing. So, midnight blue PPG metallic paint on a gorgeous rust-free Arizona truck. Hard to believe this thing was restored about 25 years ago. Hopefully you'll see just how nice the paint and body are. The doors shut great. No sign of rust anywhere. Has both auxiliary and main fuel tanks. Look how straight that body is. It does have the step-up bars, making it easy to climb in this baby. She's got a really nice stance, I believe with a 2.5-inch suspension lift, riding on a matching set of 17-inch four-wheel drive custom wheels, wrapped in a great set of, I think they're 305 60s. All-terrain tires, matching tire on the spare. In the truck area that was Line-X'd, the whole bed area was Line-X'd. Again, this is an original half cab. We love running it without the half cab hardtop, especially this time of year. Got the bikini top on there. Let's look how nice that body is. Really nice sounding dual exhaust. I'll fire it up in just a few minutes. But look how nice the paint and body are. I mean, other than a couple of tiny rock chips that have been touched up, she's pretty close to flawless, especially given the age of the restoration. But this was built to win the local car shows, but really to drive and enjoy. Again, he set this up for his wife, so always maintained, always stored inside in a climate-controlled garage, never abused. Beautiful front grille. It's got billet headlight bezels. It's got halogen headlights. They added the 50th anniversary Bronco badge. This is really a great find for someone who wants to get in one, drive and enjoy it, show it off, while knowing they've got a great investment. So under the hood has got the 302 that was completely rebuilt. It was bored 30 over. It's made it to the C4 automatic transmission that was also completely rebuilt. Drive shafts redone, suspension redone, Dana 20 transfer case redone. Everything was redone in this rig. Real nice roll bar. Interior is gorgeous. So this is a custom interior out of a 2000 Ford Ranger, I believe. It's a split bench seat. Gives the appearance of bucket seats, and then you've got that center console unit. You can fold up and kind of have a third buddy seat. Beautiful door panels, really nice mahogany steering wheel. And this baby's got air conditioning also. Custom digital gauges. Just gorgeous inside and out. I'm gonna fire it up and let you hear it run. It's got a nice Kenwood stereo. Fires right up. Let you hear it. Real nice tone from the dual exhaust. I'm sure there are a few things that I forgot to mention, so make sure you look at the listing. Call me with any questions. Again, Roy from Cloud9 Classics, 770-359-8400. If you have any questions, give me a call. You're going to love this 71 half cab Bronco.